In a world where extravagance often expands outward, this $10 million architectural masterpiece dares to do the opposite. Here, every inch is elevated into an experience, where cutting-edge engineering dances with bespoke artistry. Welcome to the hyperluxury tiny mansion, a place that proves efficiency isn't compromise, it's the new indulgence. Step inside, and discover a future where small living becomes the grandest expression of comfort. And it all begins with the first breathtaking impression.
Welcome to Creative Abode, where the art of design meets life. Explore unique architecture, innovative interiors, and inspiring spaces. Transform your home, discover new trends, and indulge in beautiful aesthetics. Let's create spaces that reflect your style, comfort, and creativity. Make yourself at home, and let your imagination wander.
The facade instantly strikes with confidence, a sleek fusion of reflective black glass and brushed titanium, floating above a serene water feature that mirrors every illuminated edge. Vertical greenery softens its bold geometry, signaling sustainability beneath its luxury exterior. Recessed LED lines sculpt every contour, making the structure appear like a jewel set against a sunset sky. Despite its compact footprint, the home radiates presence, a silent proclamation that beauty and brilliance do not require excess. This is architecture designed not to be big, but to be unforgettable. The moment you step through the smart glass doors, the living room's unexpected spaciousness defies the term tiny home. A double-height ceiling opens the space vertically, while a floor-to-ceiling window transforms the outdoors into art. Walnut textures and cream furnishings anchor the room in warmth, contrasted by marble flooring that reflects soft ambient light. Hidden storage ensures visual serenity, while integrated sound and climate control wrap the space in comfort. Here, luxury is calm, deliberate, and beautifully efficient, proving that refinement thrives in simplicity. In the master suite, comfort becomes sculpture. A floating platform bed rests against textured panels that glow with soft LED halos. Wardrobes disappear seamlessly into walls, emphasizing the purity of design. A sliding smart glass partition connects to a private balcony, inviting morning light to reveal the room's delicate balance of titanium, warm wood, and tailored fabrics. Every feature responds to its inhabitant, lighting that adapts, climate that feels intuitive, and soundproof calm elevating rest into ritual. The kitchen transforms culinary motion into art. Black, high-gloss cabinetry pairs with shimmering gold hardware, while a waterfall marble island becomes a sculptural centerpiece. Smart appliances hide seamlessly, emerging only when commanded. A vertical herb garden keeps freshness within reach, symbolizing sustainability at a $10 million level. Skylight beams enhance contrast and depth, making every material pop like a curated gallery. This is not simply a place to cook, it's a showcase of precision and taste. The mezzanine glides above the living room, supported by titanium beams and protected by crystal-clear glass railings. A minimalist lounge transforms the area into a peaceful vantage, where one can observe the home's artistry from above. The skylight overhead breathes natural brightness into the space, blurring the sense of boundaries. Perfect for reflection, conversation, or quiet work, this elevated haven magnifies the tiny mansion's depth. Here, height becomes luxury. With marble textures swirling in bold contrast, the bathroom brings spa-level serenity to tiny home efficiency. Frosted smart glass guards a rainfall shower that adapts from tropical mist to waterfall power. Gold fixtures add jewel-like detail against the monochrome canvas. A floating vanity with underglow lighting creates a sense of weightlessness, while greenery and stone accents provide a retreat-like purity. This is rejuvenation elevated to artistry, personal wellness reimagined. Minimal yet mesmerizing, the front yard frames the tiny mansion like a living sculpture. Precision-trimmed shrubs and bonsai-style trees balance the sharp architecture, while a glowing pathway cuts through reflective water for a cinematic arrival. Every element encourages calm before entry, a gentle reset from outside chaos to curated peace. The landscape invites admiration even before the home reveals its secrets. The rooftop terrace celebrates living above limits. Lounge chairs rest beside a glass-edged hot tub that glimmers beneath starlight. Solar glass panels filter daylight while powering the home below. Weather-resistant walnut seating forms intimate spaces for evening conversations, and greenery softens the edges, making every direction a view worth pausing for. It's luxury lifted, where sunsets become part of the architecture. The working room is compact yet commanding. A panoramic window floods the office with nature's focus-enhancing calm. The fold-away desk and hidden storage maintain a clutter-free zone, while titanium accents and OLED display walls ensure modern readiness. Acoustic panels layer tranquility onto technology, proving that in the right environment, even small spaces can spark big ideas. Efficiency fuels creativity here. The backyard celebrates intimate luxury. A plunge pool reflects the night with shimmering tile, while a built-in fire pit brings warmth to social evenings. Vertical gardens create privacy, enclosing the space in natural comfort. Glass walls connect indoors and outdoors effortlessly, turning relaxation into a fluid experience. This compact sanctuary shows how even a tiny footprint can hold endless pleasure. This $10 million tiny mansion is more than a home, it is a statement. It challenges our idea of luxury, shrinking the footprint while amplifying every detail of comfort and artistry. Here, design becomes conscious, technology becomes intuitive, and living becomes elevated. The future of indulgence isn't larger, it's smarter, richer, and profoundly refined.